Today's most revealing thread isn't a product launch or a benchmark, it's a confession embedded across multiple practitioner posts. Persistent memory for AI agents is simultaneously the most transformative capability upgrade on the table and a surprisingly treacherous one to manage in practice. The solo infrastructure operator who accumulated 60 plus Claude Code memory entries distilled something crucial. That memory quality degrades silently. Stale entries don't announce themselves. They just quietly misdirect the agent until a production incident exposes the rot. That finding pairs uneasily with the 36 gigabytes memory leak traced to an unmanaged WebAssembly filesystem inside a Claude Code memory server. The very infrastructure built to give agents continuity is itself leaking at the seams. And the self-propagating skills experiment, where meta-skills recursively generated new capabilities until semantic drift made the system undebuggable, closes the triangle. These aren't three separate war stories, they're the same warning in three registers. Memory without active governance is a liability, not an asset. The 7-type memory taxonomy from MarkTechPost provides the theoretical scaffold, but the practitioner posts reveal why the theory is hard. Episodic and procedural memory layers compound each other's errors, and no framework yet makes pruning as natural as accumulation. The second pattern worth tracking is the quiet cost-pressure rebellion reshaping model selection. The backend engineer's migration from GPT-4o to DeepSeek, citing up to 60x price differences for comparable performance on coding tasks, is a data point that maps onto the 880 eval study showing specialized skills matter more than which frontier model sits underneath. When skill-loaded agents can close the gap between models, the economic math becomes stark. Pay a premium for a marginal capability edge, or invest that delta in better scaffolding, memory governance, and orchestration. The loneliness story from Anthropic's own engineering leader, that Claude Code is making programmers more isolated, adds a dimension no benchmark captures. Efficiency gains measured in tokens per task are real, but the erosion of peer learning and collaborative debugging is a compounding cost that shows up later in knowledge silos and brittle codebases. The tools are maturing, the human systems around them haven't caught up.